So this video that we're looking at today is just basic creaming of butter and sugar together. Now this is often something that's called for in baking recipes. And it's a process of where we're adding sugar to butter and we're beating the butter and the sugar together. And the idea is that the sugar will cut through the butter, creating little air pockets into our butter, which will whip it up and make it look quite fluffy, but it will also help to dissolve the sugar in the butter as well. We've got our butter here and we've got our sugar and our electric beaters. Whenever you're using electric beaters and a bowl, I want you to have your bowl on a grip, because like the chopping board, it just holds the bowl in place. Your butter needs to be soft. If your butter is really hard, what you'll find will happen is that the butter will flick up everywhere at you. So it needs to be about this consistency, so it's nice and soft. You can pretty much squeeze it between your fingers, but you don't want to melt it. Your sugar goes into the butter, and then what we do is we just mix away. Now you can see already that it's starting to flick up. It will do that more if the butter is still cold. If it does do that, what you can do is use a tea towel, and you can just put the tea towel over the bowl like so to help the flicking of the butter. So once you've creamed your butter, it should take on this consistency. When you stick your finger in it, you shouldn't be able to feel the sugar crystals. If you can feel the sugar crystals, it means that the butter hasn't been whipped enough. It should take on a lighter yellow colour to it, and just a really soft and creamy consistency. If you're finding that there's still clumps of butter in your bowl, or that it's still bright yellow, it probably means that it hasn't been mixed properly. So that is how you cream butter and sugar together.